This is the new FunMove app version 3.1. This version finally introduces the long-awaited riding history. When you enable Track My Rides option from the profile page, then you will be able to track the rides longer than 100 meters. You will see your riding history. You will see certain metrics like average ride distance, total rides, average speed, and average duration. If you scroll below, you can also click on individual rides and get more information about these. When you click on a ride, you will get better insights of your battery consumption. You can also see the battery spent, stops you made, your maximum speed, average speed, and ride distance. For S3 and X3 owners, there is an update on the settings page as well. The help page has now video tutorials integrated. You can also browse through all the other topics or seamlessly get in contact with the customer support. If you want to track your rides, then don't forget to set Track My Rides option on in your profile page. I hope you enjoyed this video and the new features of the FunMove app.